around you, the beauty here in Gal. You're all here from around the region to be immersed in nature and connect with Mother Earth. The time to act is now. The time to change is now. The time for our generation to unite like never before is now. This is our time. This is our calling. This is, without a doubt, the biggest challenge of our lifetime. Because failure is not an option. Trying to control us. I'm born to be free. Take the virus, chip it, chaos. Welcome, take us through chaos. But still we you. Where's the fire? Where's the fire? Where's the fire?
Massive feedback inside.